Hello, judges. First of all, thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to present ourselves in such a nice competition. We are Team Sankalpa from NDMVP's KPT College of Engineering, Nasik, developing an interstate scholarship portal to solve a very critical challenge of our nation. So, myself, Umesh Patil, under the leadership of Rutuja Aire, I take this honor to deliver our introductory session and even the demonstration part to you all guys. So let's get started. So before getting started with actual solution, let us have an present idea what is going on in our nation. So presently, many scholarship schemes necessitate institutional registration with the student's home state, causing the students studying in another state to miss out on valuable financial aid. Addressing this disparity demands a robust technical solution that facilitates interstate level verification, ensuring that deserving students receive the benefits they are rightfully deserved. So, our actual problem statement is like we want to develop or we are developing a technical solution for enabling institute level verification of students of one state studying into the another state who are at the present generally denied the benefits under the scholarship schemes as the institute in which they are studying into the another state are not registered onto their state portal. So this is the main fact which we are solving through our portal. So we're gonna have a portal where all the nationwide colleges are going to get registered, and from that portal interstate student studying in interstate can avail its scholarship. So let's have a demonstration of our actual portal. So this is the home page of our website. Here we are having the sections as is notices section, then we are having our nav bar over here, and this is how to apply button. Here the YouTube video will be embedded that how to fill the form. Whole process will be demonstrated over here. So this is the notice board. Whatever the notices will be there from the government, he can able to see. Also similar process as a login page does. He will be able to sign up and even sign in. Another thing is we are having new applicant sign up. Whether if there is a new student, then he can come and sign up. Again, institute login we have. Institute login will be like institute which are registered in our website will be able to come and see that what is happening in actual who has filled the form or who has not filled the form. All the eligible schemes will be provided over here. Whole summary will be given, and even grievance suggestion and customer support will be provided from our end. So this is the page for new registration form where applicant has to come and fill his all the information. Here there will be two-step verification even through its email ID and mobile number for the further credentials. Again, for institute registration, now the institute should have the AISHE code, which is generally provided by the government of India, which is a mandatory for every institute. So by using that code, the college will come and register. After filling that code from the UGC website, the data will be fetched and whole information about the college, even the longitude and latitude of the college location will come to our database. So that will be an first authenticity level for the institute level registration. So this is the institute level registration page. Now let's go further. We are having the all the proper procedure of how an applicant will be applying for the scholarship. So first he will be filling his all personal information. Again, then addresses information will be there his as per his Aadhaar card. Then where the actual residency will be checked. Again, institute level verification, his institute state, district, and all the taluka and all will be there, and the documents uploading section will be here. Here the candidate can use directly a DigiLocker importation where all the documents will be stored, and that will be end-to-end encrypted and even authenticated. Other than it, if there is any complication with that particular DigiLocker, then he can come and upload manually. After uploading manually, this will be going to the institute portal where the clerk can go and check the documents as per his criteria of the checking. Again, he will go and select the course, his past qualification he will upload. Also with that he will be uploading his all the results and all those things, and at the end hostel details will be provided, whether he is staying in hostel or he is staying with someone else. This is the whole profile completeness. Again, further he will be applying to his eligibility scheme. Let us suppose ki, the candidate now applying is a OBC student, and he gonna apply the scheme under the scheme Rajashri Sahu Maharaj scheme. So at that time he will apply all the details. All the details will be filled by the candidate, and after that the application will be sent to the institute level. Now institute will go, and where they will decide whether to accept this or reject this. Also for acceptance, all the documents should be properly mentioned, all the details should be given properly, and at that time, once it is mentioned, at that time the it will send to our database. And after all the collective information, the information will be sent to the government, and at that time the by direct beneficiary transfer, the installment will be transferred to the institute, and even to the student account, whatever the scholarship he has applied according to that rules. So this is the beneficiary details section, where the application ID will be there, and each and every information will be provided onto the portal. So this is the thing which we have done. And even after the scheme application, the applied history will be there. He will be able to track each and everything, whether the benefits were given to the college, whether he was able to get the benefits on all those things. He would be able to track each and everything in every possible manner. So that's it from our side. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to present ourselves on such a big platform. Thank you very much, sir.